Wait! They have to sit there both. You want me to do it once? I'll show you. I tell you when. I take both cars. Okay. No, put that up. Put it up. Don't press the button now. Don't. Enough.
Woo! Yay! Do it again.
You have to put these up here.